Welcome everyone, another Lego Monday, back to more normal. Got the Speed Champions Pagani Utopia today. Paganis are, my first experience with them was when Richard Hammond did the Zonda way back in Top Gear. I don't know how long ago it was, but it's just, it's the kind of car that I imagined when I was a kid. I could never draw, but that's in my head, that's what I wanted to draw with Pagani. And they've even got the little, for those who know, the exhaust on those, they all cluster up at the rear, at the top like that. That's one of the coolest features I think they have. That's just my personal opinion. Let's say this is 249 pieces. Does it have a hologram? That's what I always look for on these. No hologram on this one. That's disappointing. But anyway, let's crack her open and see what we got. Okay. Alright, you over there. One bag, two bags, and a subframe. And an extra piece of paper. Sticker sheet. Not many stickers on this one. Okay. And here's a good view of the final product. And let's see how many steps are actually on this one. I always like seeing that just for kicks. 78. That's not many steps. That must be a relatively simple build. I don't know how many. Looks like I got two sets of rims to pick from over here. The 5-star and the 10-spoke. There's that 8-spoke. Yeah, 5-spoke and 8-spoke. I don't know. I'll look at those when I get back. I generally like a nice 5-spoke, but this might be an 8-spoke car. All right. But that being said, I'm gonna empty the bags and knoll it out and be back with my faster version of building. If you've watched me before, you know this is how I do it. If not, you're about to find out. Okay, there we go. There's the 5 spokes and the 8 spokes. I think I'm feeling the 5 spokes. Yep. Yeah, I'm feeling that better. Yeah, that's sort of, I'm digging that vibe. Noticed first time I noticed the low profile tires, and they came pre-installed. I didn't actually have to put the tires on the wheel this time. That was different. Got a little Pagani dude. Has the, I guess, the logo and customized suit. I think that's pretty cool. Nice little car. I like, like I said, I've been sort of infatuated with them since this sort of replaced the Lamborghini as far as the ridiculous car design company. The 80s, when they had the Countach, that was, such a ridiculous compared to everything else on the road. And this company has sort of replaced them for that, I think. They got this doesn't look like anything barely resembles a car, in the real ones. This one, you can tell it's a car. But I like it. I think that's well worth picking up. I think good looking car. I was surprised about the big open spot on the front, but that's, that is how it sort of looks, really. It's got that big, it's not a grill because the engine's back here, but there might be intakes or something through there. I don't know. They didn't ask me on the design. But anyway, I like it. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I'm going to keep going for a while yet. Hope everybody has a good day and a good week and a month and year and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.